Level All's mission is to provide every student and family in the United States with the information they need to succeed in high school and build a great post-high school plan. Curated by a team of educators and industry experts, our platform is designed to support all students, all families, and all journeys. For students planning for college, our team of top admissions and financial aid officers from across the country have created the most comprehensive how-to guide of its kind. From finding the right school to creating a standout application.
So how do you write the ultimate college essay? That's what we're here to cover.
To bringing down the cost of tuition and securing scholarships. The world is changing, and more than ever, there are high-growth careers that don't require a college degree. We offer pathways to these careers with a special focus on the growing world of apprenticeships. Companies across America are reimagining how they hire and train their workforce. With these new apprenticeships, young professionals bypass college debt and get valuable training while earning a competitive salary in a vast range of professions, from aircraft maintenance to software engineering. We expose students to careers of all kinds, outlining the many pathways to get from here to there, giving students strategies to build their credentials in high school, post-high school, all the way through success in their career. Our life skills section covers hard and soft skills that, when learned at a young age, have a huge payoff throughout your lifetime. The benefit of starting young is especially true for financial skills. Our experts outline the small steps you can take as a young adult that will greatly improve your financial future. Level All is the place to explore what's possible and find the answers to make it a reality.